Hello and welcome to TeachKloud. Today we will be giving you an overview of the school interface. On the interface, all of the features can be located in the menu on the left-hand side. Let's start with rooms. This will allow you to add in your rooms within your school. Simply add in the name, a short description, and you can even add in the room ratio. From the Rooms page, you can add in children straight away, or you can add them from the Children tab. The Children tab will give you your full list of children that are currently enrolled at your school, and you can add a new child by selecting the green button at the top. You'll be able to add in their general details and a profile photo, assign them to a room, and add in their parents' details. From here, you can also invite the parent or guardian to download the parent app by clicking on the top box. You can also allow one parent or guardian to complete the built-in enrolment form. Please note that you can invite as many parents or guardians per child as you would like to, but only one parent or guardian can complete the enrolment form. Once you have finished adding all of the parents for a child, simply add child. Once a child has left your service, of course you want to hold on to their records so you can archive them. To do this, simply click on the three dots and press Archive Child. This will move them to your archive list. What this means is that the child will no longer come up for new records that you're creating, but a full audit trail of their time spent with you will stay on TeachKloud. Next, we have the Teacher tab. From here, you'll be able to see all of the teachers in your service and invite new teachers to download their Teacher app. Simply add in their email address and select the room or rooms that they work in. You can manage the rooms that a teacher works in simply by clicking on the three dots and press Manage Rooms. You can also make teachers assistant administrators. This means that they will be able to sign into the school interface and use all of the features except for editing the school profile. You can also remove teachers, and this will revoke any access they have to TeachKloud immediately. You can use app configuration to make any changes to the app to suit your specific needs. For example, if any of the daily records are not applicable to you, you can simply untick them. From here, you can also customize the questions that appear while doing a learning story and upload your food menu. Speaking of learning stories, you can now complete these on the school interface as well as on the app. You'll be able to create new learning stories, edit existing learning stories, and also download PDF reports straight to your computer. Next, we have Account, which will allow you to see the school's information and the curriculum you're following, and you can make changes to these at any time if you need to. Then we have Compliance, which is where you can create your cleaning sheets and risk assessments and also store your policies. To create new cleaning sheets and risk assessments, simply click Add a new checklist. From here, you'll be able to add in the name of the room, the item, the frequency it needs to be cleaned, and any specific products to be used. For the risk assessments, you can add in the room and any questions and actions. You can add as many cleaning sheets and risk assessments per room as you need, and then select where in the school that they can be used. Once you're happy, press Save, and these will then appear in the app for teachers to complete. Any big risk assessments that have been reported through the app are also logged under the Risk Assessment tab. For example, trip hazards on the floor, spillages, and anything else of that nature. You can also store policies and documents on the interface. To add a new policy, simply click Add in your name, and then upload a PDF of the policy. From here, you can choose to share it with the parents, a few parents, or just to have it for internal use. Once you do share this with parents, they are required to read through it and sign for it, and you will get a copy of this signature. You can click through to each policy to see exactly who it's been shared with and if the parent has signed. Messages will allow you to send out broadcast messages to either all of your parents, groups of parents, or even teachers. You can also use the Messages tab to enable or disable the group chat feature if you no longer wish to use it. To create a new broadcast message, simply click New Message, type in what you would like to say, and add any attachments if needed. Then you can decide who to send that specific message to. Once you have sent the message, it will ping directly to the parent's phone. You will then get a full message history and you can read through the recipients to see who has read the message. Attendance information can be recorded on the interface. From here you can add in any schemes and create schedules for all of the children. This will also allow you to add in any holidays that might be part of school closures, for example Christmas and summer, or any individual family holidays that the children may be on. From here you can also download schedule reports, which will save as a PDF straight to your computer. You'll also be able to see insights reports for each child. These are automatically generated using the information daily when you sign a child in and out. You can filter through all of the children and it will show you the exact amount of hours that they have spent with you, if they have missed any time, and if they are receiving government funding, these will be broken down to specifically show you the correct amount of hours. You will also be able to see attendance graphs based on the schedule to show you in percentages how much time a child has been present for and how much time they've missed. From here, you can always download a PDF report either on the room or on the child. Next, we have enrolment consent, which will allow you to upload any policies, mission statements, and also any parental checks that you would need them to sign. Then we have staff roster, which works quite similarly to creating schedules for the children. From here, you'll be able to add schedules for staff members, add in any holidays or school closures, mark them as sick and absent, and also download PDF reports. You can also add in a teacher's predefined break time. You will also receive an insights report, which is exactly the same as the one for children. It will show you the total amount of hours worked, any hours missed, break times, and any additional break hours that need to be accounted for. Not all staff need access to the teacher app, but all staff have schedules and need to have their hours accounted for, so you can add in any additional staff via the Other Staff tab. This will allow you to create schedules for them the exact same way as you would for a teacher. You can also see a breakdown of the room ratios by selecting ratios. Anything highlighted with a little red dot means that there is a discrepancy that needs to be looked at. If you click through, it will show you exactly which rooms have which teachers, so you can make any adjustments as needed. In the Safety tab, you will be able to document fire duties and any fire drills. You will also be able to document a general safety register and a list of emergency equipment. The last features within the school interface are your training and meeting logs. This will allow you to upload any training or meetings that have taken place and document which teachers were present and upload any documentation. If you require any assistance using either the school interface or the teacher app, please see our support page for full details on how to use each feature. Alternatively, we do have a live chat which can be found using the green icon in the bottom right hand corner.